Please raise your hand and repeat after me. I do solemnly swear to play the game with honor and integrity, to respect my coaches, teammates, opponents, to abide by the rules and uphold the true spirit of competition. I promise to give my best, whether in victory or in defeat, to play fair, stay humble, and show respect at all times. I represent not only myself, but my team, my family, and my league. With pride in my heart and discipline in my actions, I take this act as a true sportsman. So help me God.